Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching our channel for the first time, I would strongly recommend subscribe to our channel, watch all our videos. So in this video, we are going to discuss about generating handwritten notes. So many of you have an habit of writing handwritten notes. So that will help to basically revise the concepts and learn better. So writing notes using hands is a tedious task. So is there any way to generate the handwritten notes for free? Yes. There is a way you can generate the handwritten notes for free using AI within fraction of seconds. Yes, you heard it right. You can generate the handwritten notes for any concepts with ease using AI. So you can see this cool handwritten notes. Here I have generated handwritten notes for Java multithreading. So similar way you can generate for any concepts. So do you want to know how to generate these kind of handwritten notes for free? Then watch this video till then to understand better. Let's get started. So head to Google, search for Gemini. So select and go for Gemini. So after that, what you have to do is select create image. Okay. So you have to provide the prompt here. So I've created the prompt using ChatGPT. So this is the prompt I'm using. So let me select the prompt and I have pasted. So I'll tell the prompt also. So what we are saying is create a handwritten style study notes on certain topic designed for student, and we have specified the instructions how it should be and what we have to highlight and all those things we have mentioned here. If you need this prompt, you can comment in the chat. So here we have to replace the topic with the topic you're interested. Let's say you want to learn about Java multithreading. So just mention Java multithreading here. So that's it. And here in the tool, select the create image and click on submit. So this has generated a cool 100 notes. You can see they have talked about thread versus process, creating a thread, and even it has covered about the thread lifecycle and even the multi-threading synchronization. So basically it has covered all the concepts and it has highlighted the important things. It has used different styles. So it's exactly almost same as your handwritten notes only. So you can generate this for free. So if you have a habit of reading from the notes, right, this is the go-to thing. So you can generate cool notes using this process for free. So if you want the prompt, you can comment for the prompt. I've generated one more thing here. So here you can see I've generated the solar system. So it has generated details about all the planets and it has highlighted, it has added images. So I hope you like it. So refine the prompt to get the better result. So this way you can generate the handwritten notes using AI for free. So it will help you to revise the things, learn the concepts for free. So I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe to our channel for more such contents. Thank you.